Hello, everyone. Welcome to Universal English Guide, where learning English is simple, clear, and enjoyable. I'm Sophie.
And I'm Liam. Hello, everyone. We're really happy to have you here today.
How's your day going, Liam?
Pretty good, Sophie, but something strange happened this morning. I put my coffee on the table, went to get my laptop, and when I came back, the coffee cup wasn't there.
Wait, what? That's creepy.
I know, right? I thought maybe I was imagining things, but this got me thinking, what if objects could move by themselves?
That's the perfect way to talk about today's verbs. Come and put. They're so simple, yet they appear in so many natural situations, like your coffee story.
Exactly. I could say, the coffee came back to the table by itself, or I put the coffee here, but now it's gone.
Yes. Put is about placing something somewhere. You literally do something with your hands or move objects. Come is about movement, usually toward the speaker or toward a place.
Let's imagine a normal morning. I put my keys on the counter. Then I go out to get the newspaper. When I come back, the keys are gone.
You could say, I put my keys on the counter, but now they've mysteriously come somewhere else.
Exactly. Come can show movement even when it seems magical.
Let's talk about everyday routines. You put dishes in the sink. You put clothes in the laundry basket.
And then you come back later to find things moved around. Maybe you accidentally put something in the wrong place, or maybe someone else moved it.
Or, in our imagination, maybe objects move by themselves.
That's fun. I like imagining that. Like a pen comes flying off my desk.
Or a book comes back to the shelf by itself.
So put is about action. You do something. You place something. Come is about movement. Something arrives or moves toward you.
Right. But learners sometimes get confused. For example, they say, I come my bag on the table.
Yes, the correct way is I put my bag on the table.
Exactly. Put is the action you do with an object. Come is not something you do to an object. It's about the object moving.
Let's imagine a little story. Last night, I put my shoes by the door. I went to bed. This morning, I came down, and the shoes were by the kitchen sink.
That's spooky.
I know, but it's a perfect way to use put and come. I put my shoes by the door, but they came somewhere else overnight.
So we can combine them in natural sentences. Let's do a mini dialogue.
Did you see my notebook?
I thought you put it on the desk.
I did, but when I came back, it was on the chair.
Perfect. That's a very natural way native speakers use put and come.
Another example. Imagine you're cleaning your room. You put your toys in a box. Later, your little brother comes into the room and moves them around.
You could say, I put my toys in the box, but when I came back, they were all over the floor.
Yes, that shows how both verbs appear together in daily life.
Here's a mid-conversation, gentle explanation for learners. Put is always about an action, something you do. Come is about movement, toward a place or toward you.
So, for example, I put the keys on the table, action you do. But the keys came off the table, movement of the keys.
Exactly. And you'll see both verbs in stories, conversations, and daily activities all the time.
Let's imagine a coffee shop scenario.
Go ahead.
You put your bag on a chair, then you go order coffee. While waiting, your bag comes slightly off the chair. Maybe someone nudged it. You notice and say, I put my bag here, but it came closer to the table.
Perfect. That shows how come can describe subtle movements.
Another fun scenario, packages. You put a package at your door. Later, it comes inside the house. Maybe someone delivered it upstairs.
Or in a mysterious story, you put a box on the table, you leave the room, you come back, and the box has moved, even though no one touched it.
That's perfect for our topic, the mystery of objects moving by themselves.
Let's imagine one more scenario. You put your shoes by the door, you go to work. When you come back, they're in the kitchen.
Exactly. I put my shoes by the door, but when I came back, they were somewhere else.
That shows the flexibility and natural use of both verbs.
Let's summarize a few common patterns.
Put plus object plus place equals action you perform. Example, I put my keys on the table.
Come plus place equals movement toward you or toward somewhere. Example, the cat came to the kitchen.
Combined in one story, I put my bag on the chair, but when I came back, it was on the floor.
Perfect. That's natural English in daily life.
You can practice by describing your day. Think, what did you put somewhere? What came or moved toward you?
Even small things count. You put your mug on the table, you come back, and it's empty.
Or you put your phone in your bag, later it comes out accidentally.
Exactly. Real-life examples make learning so much easier.
So in today's episode, we explored put for actions and come for movement in everyday life and in mysterious stories.
We talked about chores, offices, neighbors, and objects moving mysteriously.
Remember, these verbs are everywhere. You put something, you come back, objects move. Life happens.
Try making your own sentences with put and come. You'll see how often you use them naturally.
Write your examples in the comments in English.
And if you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to Universal English Guide.
Check out the full podcast in the description and pinned comment for more examples, stories, and conversations.
Keep practicing, and the more you do, the more confident your English will become.
See you in the next episode, and wherever your objects may come or go, happy English learning.